bud. Come on. Come here, happy. Come here, happy boy. Did you get, hey, did you get the hot tub today? Did you get hot tub today? All right, come on. Good boy. Hey, thank you. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Hey, should we take out the trash real quick? Come on, let's take out trash first. Eddie and JJ. Hey, we got to watch out for Zelda, though, actually. I forgot. There was a bus. Come on, buddy. Let's do this. Zelda is in the backyard, which I'm amazed I have not forgotten. Okay. We do not want to let her get loose here. Come out. Get back, little girl. Get back, honey. Here you go. Let me get this one for JJ. Okay, we'll get this for JJ. Here you go, buddy. Take that one. And Daddy will take the other one. Okay, you just stay there, sweet girl. Okay, go ahead and you take that to the street, and Daddy will take the light one. Got it? Okay, stay back, girl. Stay back. Okay, good girl. Thank you. Thank you, Z. It's a good girl. There we go. All right, Eddie coming. Thank you, buds. You remember how to turn it? Yeah. Good job, bud. You got it. What an expert. Just like a pro. Good job, buddy. Let's go. Hey, did you get a hot tub today? Teacher's saying you're going to get a hot tub today.
That's Tuesday.
No school next Tuesday. That's right. Come on. Let's go. Go to school Wednesday, though. Next week, right? You go to school Wednesday? Yeah? No school at all, bud. Come on. Bag. Come on. Let's go, buddy. All right. Your apple too? Okay, come on. For today, on the 17th.
Was a good boy today? Okay, cutie pie.
Yeah, here's his thing. Looks like he had an alright day.
Good job, Bubba. Great day.
JJ had a great day today.
Did they end up not having
spa? I don't know. I'm trying to ask
His
JJ.
hair don't look like it.
Yeah, here's his clothes. They feel, are they dry? They're dry, right?
They're dry.
Okay, so he did not
You
get
didn't have
spa
spa?
today. He enjoyed working at the cafe and participated in our solar system intro lesson. Oh, cool.
You like the solar system?
That's like all the planets.
I'll give him that song.
It's
He
fun.
wants that solar system song.
Yeah. Well, here it is right here, the solar system. There we go. We can go over this too.
Good job, my buddy.
Very cool.
I'm very proud of you for being
iPad.
here. Yes, dear. Where is your iPad?
Well, they might put it in a different section.
I hope you're right.
I hadn't had a chance to
It
look.
doesn't feel heavy. Jacket. There's no iPad.
No iPad.
Jay, what are you doing? Stop.
Right. So they did not bring his iPad. Well, we're going to have to
Let me
check.
double check. Really? You're going to have to go all the way to the school?
Well, if they haven't got his iPad, I might have to, huh?
Yep. No iPad. JJ, where was your iPad? Was it on the bus?
I hope. Did you have it on the bus? Is it at school or the bus?
I need to find
Hey, buddy, look at me. Is your iPad at school or on the bus? Which one?
School.
Okay.
School,
I'll
okay.
let teacher know.
Well, it happens sometimes. Yeah. Oh, hi. Oh, wow.
This is
What
his.
timing.
Right?
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
I'm
You too.
so sorry.
It's no problem. No problem at all.
He has the same case as one of our classroom
Oh.
ones. So we picked up that one. We were like, okay, it must be in his backpack because we don't see it. It's hiding at the bottom of his desk.
Uh-oh.
So-
It's all good. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Good. Oh, good. Got JJ's iPad. Back in business. I love you. Yep, so gotta get through tomorrow. Have a good day tomorrow, right? If you have a good day tomorrow, we'll at least get a candy bagel, okay? Maybe I'll get you like a learning toy. And then next week, we're gonna do school at home. Just do like a little, not really no hard school, just do a few things, do some life skills and a little bit of
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Ready? Slow.
Oh, slow earthquake?
Slow earthquake.
Slow earthquake.
Fast.
A slow one?
So fast.
Super fast? Want to talk about tomorrow a little bit? Want to talk about tomorrow? Talk about tomorrow?
Tuesday, no school.
Right. How about tomorrow? That's school? Friday, yeah. Gonna have a good day or a great day tomorrow, right? Is it gonna be a good day or a great day?
Yes.
Yes, okay. But you got to get at least a small prize, okay?
Small place.
Tomorrow get a prize.
Yes.
Yes.
Microwave.
No microwave. Won't be a microwave, and it's not going to be your colors toy. It's going to be something much smaller than that.
Toy.
You get something.
John.
Probably a non-preferred, but you'll still like it.
Pie tomorrow.
Maybe you know what we can do next week. You still got money from people who sent you money for your birthday, so we can go buy you something with that money. You want to go buy toys?
Pies.
Go buy toys with your money. Or
Pie tomorrow.
prize. You'll get some kind of prize. Yes. Probably. You know.
That.
Do you
Tuesday,
want-
no school.
Do you want to earn candy bagels? Do you want to earn candy bagels?
Friday.
Is that something you want to earn?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, no school. Like you keep telling me, yeah, there's no school next week, right? What holiday is next week? Do you know? What's holiday?
Tuesday.
What holiday is Thursday? You know? Thanksgiving?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you make a turkey? I saw you make a turkey at school. Did you make a turkey? Maybe we'll make our own turkey. Want you to make a turkey? Maybe that'd be one of our projects.
Reckless.
He likes to rub my whiskers.
Yes.
I like to rub my whiskers.
Oh.
Okay, get ready for earthquake. Getting ready to rumble. Get ready. Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Daddy's been in a real earthquake. Wow. You can feel the whole ground moving, and you hear a lot, really loud. And you can see the pool water go splashing out.
Loud.
Crazy. Yeah, it's kind of loud in an earthquake. Yeah.
Super loud.
Super loud earthquake. Yeah, it sure is, buddy. Yeah.
Too tight.
Oh, too tight.
Pie tomorrow.
Small prize tomorrow, yes. Not your light toy tomorrow. Not going to be a light toy. What do you have to do to get a light toy? What are you going to do to get a light toy?
Yep.
You have to have all good or great days, yes? No fair days. If you have a fair day and turn it to a good day, now that would count, sure.
Always
difficult day.
they hit.
What, honey?
Scissors hit.
What? Say again?
Scissors.
Teachers hit?
No.
No. What are you saying? Somebody
Head. Head.
Wow.
Snap.
Who smacks?
No, okay, stop it. What are you saying? What do teachers do not hit, right? Teachers do not hit. I don't think they do.
Big.
Look at me.
Lower.
What?
Oh, he's talking about his glowworm.
Oh, your glowworm. Time for medicine, buddy.
Okay, little love. I know. I got drink free.
Antibiotic coming up
This
right
one's
here.
supposed to help your nose, but so far it ain't really.
Not really, huh?
It did somewhat, but not like it should.
Oh. When you always take them out. No, the big part goes in first. The big part goes in first.
Uh-oh.
The big part. Okay. You always like that's something he always did even when he was little, rubbing my whiskers on my face with his arm.
Baby Jose.
Baby JJ, yes. Baby
Good
JJ.
girls.
Whiskers. Yeah.
My head.
What?
My head.
Nice hand.
My head.
Nice hand. No, nice hand, Daddy. You nice hand. Well, JJ does not hit nobody, right? You do not hit.
Nope.
That would definitely mean if you hit, that means no matter what, things get taken away. You get your not only will you not earn, but you'll get things taken away too. So you do not hit.
He knows that.
About
Bounce in your head. Pop.